Okay, so we are at Burlington, and they have lots of cute gift sets. Now, I don't usually shop at Burlington. I'm not really a big Burlington shopper, so I'm kind of checking out what they have. Lots of gift sets over here. If you don't know what to get somebody, they have lots of good choices to make it easy on you. Lots of beauty. This is the beauty gift set area. This is a little nail set that's got like a nail dryer, glitter pots, 6 nail polishes, a nail file, lots of stuff, a cute little fuzzy handle, and that is $16.99 it looks like. And then we have Juicy Couture, little scarf headband glove set. That is faux fur for $24.99. Over here we have some like little body sprays, looks like for $12.99. There, Honey Blossom, Peach Bellini mists, some more BB things, a little BB setting spray. That is $6.99. Setting spray trio. Cute little body care set here. That is $12.99. That's nail polishes from BB. That is $14.99. Highlighter sticks, $5.99. This is Nicole Miller. Little gift set in a cute little box for $6.99. Some good prices, like that's a good price for that. Some deer foams that are a size large, and I love these, and I want to see if I can find a medium in these somewhere else in the store because they're only $9.99. This is a cute, nice winter pattern. I love deer foams, but I'm a size medium, so if I can find those somewhere in the store, I might get those for myself. BCBG Generation gift set. That is $24.99. Overindulge, but never overspend. $19.99 for this Guess perfume. Seductive Blue. We have lots of perfumes here. Perfumes locked up in their cases. Nautica, $19.99. It's always a good gift idea if you can't think of anything else, cologne or perfume. We have a pink, Whatever It Takes. Artwork donated by Pink. And that is $9.99 only. I don't think this is supposed to be here, but here's a Hello Kitty and Friends ceramic bowl with chopsticks. I see these at Home Goods all the time. That is $8.99. Some men's gift sets over here. Men's Izod. Little eau de toilette vaporizer. That is only $4.99. Can't beat the prices here. This is nice too, this little body glove set. Like this is a really good little gift if you don't know what to get him. And this is 5 pieces body care. And that is only $9.99 for 5 pieces. So I feel like that's a really good deal. I feel like you pay that for 1 piece for a lot of brands, other stores. And they have some of the Funko Pops over here. I don't know what a lot of these characters are. $4.99. Sometimes you're like, who are these people? They make so many of these things for different TV shows and movies and everything. This one's cute. It's $6.99 it looks like. Devil Dinosaur, that's cute. That is Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur. I've never heard of that. Have you heard of that? This big infinity Killmonger. So lots of pop guys. Hello Kitty. It's got $29.99 for a little smart camera and time teacher watch set. Stitch glassware set. That's heavy, of course. That is $12.99. There's Nightmare Before Christmas. Gift set. That one is $11.99. It's like a mug and some socks in here. Mug, socks, and door hanger. There's Snoopy. Wireless speaker and karaoke microphone. That's interesting. That is $12.99. That's kind of a fun gift. Oh, look at these Grinch socks. BioWorld brand. Gift set with 2 pairs of men's crew socks and 1 beanie, it looks like. And that is $11.99. socks and a beanie for men. Lots of gift boxes. $6.99 for 10-pack of oversized gift boxes. If you need some gift boxes or gift bags, they have a lot here at my Burlington. $3.99. Looks like for a set. There. Looks like about $2.99 for these small ones. This is $3.99 here. Here it looks like 2 good size gift bags. Set of 3. This one is $3.99. Bottle brush trees. Santa dressed in white with his sack. These are cute. These are so cute. Little Santa head glass, for a little tiny tree. $4.99. Some stockings. These are pretty. Some gold glitter in them. Those are $12.99. This is a holiday tree skirt. Another tree skirt, it looks like. $14.99. $26.99 for this tree skirt. Pretty. $19.99 for that picture. Santa, please stop here. It's got some 3D stuff on it. It's not really for Christmas, but that's a pretty mirror set. And that is $39.99. Some wreaths. More bags. No cookies, just cocktails. If you want to give somebody some alcohol for a gift. Looks like $2.99. Some boxes for holiday gifts. $2.99. This end cap, they have some Grinch stuff. Set of 2 glasses, Grinch. Sorry how loud it is in here. They're doing stuff in the back. It's getting stock ready or something. $6.99 here. These Grinch glasses. Then we have this cute snowman with looks like a little notepad inside. Little glass with a notepad for $7.99. There is a mug with notebook and pen. So that's cute. Get a little gift idea. Then we have this Grinch hot chocolate mix, hot cocoa mix. $7.99. Little mug, and then this one's got the dog, Max, hot cocoa mix. $7.99. So Grinch and Max. Fun little gift ideas. Here's one with a clear glass also. That one is this one's $5.99. Another cute little chocolate chip cookies in its own little cookie jar for $14.99. There, so lots of Grinch and Max stuff on this little end cap. There's SpongeBob. Here's another Grinch chopstick bowl. These are usually $8.99. Lots of fun Grinch gift sets. Here's a plush Grinch plush and cocoa mix. $4.99. $9.99 there. A Grinch cup. $7.99. Chocolate bombs, hot chocolate bombs. Lots of mugs. Hello Kitty, Santa. Some Christmas, pink Christmas mug. Cocoa for 2, so you get both mugs. You get the Max and the Grinch. Cocoa for 2. Here's some more mugs and little set of 4 glassware set. Here's a small glassware set. We saw a bigger Stitch glassware set over there. And here's a little one for $5.99. Like little shot glasses. Some Hello Kitty mugs. More Grinch. $4.99. I guess there's a little scratch, so they point out. That's nice. They point out that there's a little scratch on it. Lots of Hello Kitties in the mug section here. There's ceramic salt shaker, Hello Kitty and Friends. My Melody. That one's $6.99. Oh, this one's cute. Blue. $4.99 only. This clear blue gingerbread Hello Kitty. So I think this is where those Hello Kitty ceramic bowls with chopsticks are supposed to be that I found up front. There's some here. It looks like there's a broken one. Sad to find the broken stuff, but it's bound to happen with all this stuff crammed on the shelves. Like, look how tight they've got everything together on the shelf, so things are bound to get broken. Like this poor little Hello Kitty dish here. Oh, this one's cute. Be Merry and Bright. Those are always $8.99. You see those at Home Goods a lot. Some here. It's a Garfield set of 2. Butter dish. $4.99. I think it's like a butter dish. Snowman butter dish. You guys look at these holiday dog toys. And then more Grinch. That one is $5.99. Stink, stunk Grinch 3-pack dog toy. That's adorable. Happy Howl. Nice. Woof Naughty. $3.99. So lots of cute dog toys. There's a big green, big bones there. Ho ho ho. These are $8.99. This is Santa, $3.99. Cute little Santa baby outfit. Look at that 3-piece set. Bodysuit, pant, and headband with the flared out pants for a baby. Oh, so cute. My first Christmas hat and stocking set. Over here, and I found this cute Grinch like onesie for kids. $14.99. These cute pajamas. But look what I found. I did find some deer phones for myself and some green like sweater knit. So I'm happy in my size medium for $9.99. So you guys, I'm happy. This is what I wanted. And I think I will just buy this for today and I will be done. So thank you for shopping along with me here at Burlington. I'll see you guys next time.